Hi, the chef for today, Messina Dennis, and our menu is deep fried chili beef. And the ingredients are beef steak, garlic, chopped chili, chopped ginger, flour, sugar, chopped onion, soy sauce, and a broccoli. First is we have to mix the soy sauce, the corn flour. You can also add chili sauce or sliced chili and mix it well. Then you can now put the beef. After mixing it well, let's wait for until 2 minutes. After heating the pan and the oil, let's now put our beef. Wait for a few minutes. After cooking our beef, let's now cook the veggies. Now put the ginger here for how many seconds? And then let's add the broccoli. And sugar. You can also add carrots, mushroom, and chilies if you like. Let's wait for a few minutes for the veggies to be cooked. After a few minutes of cooking the veggies, let's now put the beef back into the wok. And of course, mix it very well. Let's put a little bit of salt. And that's it. Wait for a few minutes and then the steak is cooked.